Welcome to our Partner Quick Start Guide. In this fourth video tutorial, we'll show you how to create and customize your first network survey with Partner. This survey is what you'll eventually send out to your network to gather data for your mapping and analysis. Begin by navigating to the Survey Builder by opening up a project from the home page. Once there, click Survey in the Project submenu at the top of the page. This will bring you to the Survey Builder. To start, click Change Survey Template to see your 4 options to begin. We recommend that you either use our 19-question default survey or one of our prepared topical templates. If you're a more experienced user, you can use a previously created partner survey or simply start from scratch. You can switch templates to view all of your options. However, if you switch once you've started to customize a survey, you will lose your progress. To add a new question to your survey, click Add a Question at the top of the page. Select the question type that you'd like and add details like the wording and potential answers. Click Save. You can edit the question by clicking the small pencil button to the right. To move a question up or down in order, use the 2 small arrows to the right of the question. To use skip logic, click the logic icon to the right of the question. Create a condition that must be met by the member taking the survey for the skip to be triggered. Then, click Save. To delete a question, click the trash icon to the right of the question. Be careful, as this action cannot be undone. To customize your consent and instruction language, click the button on the top left. To format your survey to print for those unable to take an online survey, click Print Format on the top left. To preview how your survey will appear to those taking it online, click Preview on the top right. Once your network survey has been created and customized, you can start writing your email introductions, invitations, and reminders to take the survey. We'll dig into that process in our next video.